Don't you just love a mimosa tree? That is my favorite tree on our whole farm. My mom always loved the mimosa trees, and I think they're just absolutely positively beautiful. But I learned something a few days ago. I had no clue. Those beautiful pink blooms on there, you can make a tea out of them. So, hey, why not give it a shot? I mean, it's beautiful. I'm thinking it'll probably taste like a green tea or something like that. So, I brought a little pitcher. I'm going to gather some of these. You're just supposed to pull the flowers off, take the little green stem off, shake them good to make sure we don't have any bugs in there, and steep them in boiling water for a few minutes. Why not? Let's give it a shot. That was much shorter. I couldn't reach this. But this is the ones that I'm going for. The ones that are still fresh looking. I'm not really sure exactly how many it will take to make a flavorful tea. I'd say probably 10 or 12 of them. But have you ever heard of the mimosa tree? Mimosa tree tea? Have you ever heard of the mimosa tea tree? Have you ever tried it? If so, what do you think about it? Okay, guys, that should be enough for a sample. Let's go to the kitchen and try it. Okay, I'm back into the kitchen and I'm just shaking my little mimosa blooms right here because I don't want any bugs or worms or anything from outside. I have honestly found 2 little like inchworms on these, so I will definitely have to strain this. But you're not supposed to wash them because it washes away the good stuff that's on there that is beneficial. But I have water boiling or heating up to boil, and as soon as I get a good amount in here, probably about a half a cup or something like that, and I'm going to pour that boiling water over top of it and let it steep. I'm guessing probably 5 minutes or so, just about the amount of time that you would for a green tea. Now, I'm not sure if the camera can pick this up or not. But right here, it's a tiny little worm. That is why I'm trying to be super careful and shake these things. I did not know that mimosa tree blossoms attracted inchworms. I know it does hummingbirds, butterflies, but honestly, I normally don't take these down and examine them like this. I have a good amount in the cup, probably, I don't know, a quarter cup or so of these, maybe 10 of the flowers. My water has just reached a boil, so let's pour it in here. And it is instantly changing colors. We'll let this steep and give it a taste test in a few minutes. Okay, this has been steeping for probably 6 or 7 minutes. It honestly looks like a cup of green tea or white tea. So let's take the mimosa blossoms out. Guys, these were pink whenever I put them in there. They're certainly not pink now. Let's see if I can do this without getting it everywhere. Of course not. Okay. But that is beautiful. Normally, whenever I have tea, I drink it with honey or sugar. But I'm going to give this one a taste test without it this time, and then go from there. But I cannot wait to see what this tastes like. It's a very light flavor. It's not as strong as a green tea. This is something I could easily drink without adding honey. But if you have a mimosa tree and you want to think outside the box a little bit, make you some mimosa flower tea. Give it a try. It's not bad.